Right, so this Bisa Kappa, before them there was a Korean restaurant. We ate there several times, really good food. They closed the doors during the pandemic. They closed and left. And then this one came and now they're closed. So they, on the other side there, guys, is, yeah, they are open. Wishing Wells are open. I bet you they're. Oh man, they've been here for years. It's a very popular place.
There's no chance.
Open music, open band, and all kinds of stuff. They have good stuff going on there. So let's just look at it. So if you look here, right? Let's go upstairs. You see, back down here, you have the street corner blues bar. They've been in business for a long time. And like the owner said, they're here more for enjoyment. They play because there are a bunch of guys that just loves to play, and they pay the rent whether they. It's just a place for them to get her.
Remember this was open?
Yeah. And then you have, here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 stalls for rent. So these are all gone. It's crazy, you know. You know, I was hoping we had something good to report, right? Yeah. With and go out this way. These guys are open. Tapsilo, Buffalo Wings. You guys are open, right? You guys are open every day?
Every Monday, Thursday closed.
Monday and Thursday closed. Okay, so you open Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, thank you. All right, so that's pretty cool. So let's walk down this way and see. In these first 2 stalls, there was these first 2 stalls here, right? It was a couple of sari stores, and one was like a tea coffee shop or something. They're gone. And Fat Bob, he's here. And if you look at all these stalls, guys, they are prior COVID, these were all open and had a lot of business going on. So there is some in here that are open now that wasn't open before. You can buy your lotto in here. And what do we got here? Fresh Options Express, A-Line, Apartment Villas. And right down here is Balibago. So that's just a little bit of the calamity that is going on here. All right, so better pull up the map. So it's a Korean grocery store. There's a lot of those here nowadays. The Samgyeopsal, whatever they call it, has become really popular, and we have one that opened just around the corner from home too. So what's going on in here? Let's go in here. IBG Plaza. All right. So we'll walk in here and take a little look. Here it appears that a lot of the stores are actually open, but there is not a whole lot of activity as far as customers I can see. But they are You have a nail salon here, Passionate Nails. Blue Coffee Distributors. I don't know if they sell coffee. Allegro Beverage, that's like a coffee shop, I guess. It looks like it. And then you have a dentistry, dentist, Dermfinity, so that's like a doctor's procedure. So it seems like it's mostly open here, right?
Yeah. And there's no people.
But there's no people. But you know, granted, it's 5 o'clock to 5:30 or so in the afternoon. So that's one thing. Right across the street from Pure Gold. Actually, to give you the location where we're at, we are in Balibago, right outside the Diamond subdivision, and we'll take a walk up and walk back down that way, right? So that'll be it for today, and then we'll stop by and see if we can get Manny to play a couple of songs. Yeah. Maybe we can record them. Here looks like a new store opening up. MY store. All right. There's not a whole lot here. As you can see, the traffic is intense on here. So you don't get a feeling of, if you're in the traffic, you don't get a feeling of any closures or anything. And I think they're starting now to opening up more and more. What we had was 2 months of I wouldn't call it lockdown, because there was some freedoms, but only for those of age between 19, I think it was 18, 19 or so, or 21, whatever it was, and 60. Go to work and all that, and essentials was allowed, but it is. All right.
The call center.
Is this Sutherland?
Yeah.
Sutherland is a call center?
The recruitment place.
Is this where you got recruited?
Yep.
But they this is where they recruit people?
Yeah.
And then you work inside Clark?
Yeah.
Okay. That's interesting. Yeah, you just got a job, didn't you?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Got a job.
Yeah, there's jobs out there, guys. If you know, Filipinos watching and listening, there is jobs out there. You just got to keep hammering until you get one. You can't give up. You can't give up. Right across the street is Savers Mall. Up there, where you have the little, I call it the football, it's the casino, the only casino in one MacArthur here in Balibago. So let's go down here. This is the main entrance, right?
Yeah.
To Balibago, or Diamond. Yeah, at one point when your mother was here,
Yeah.
you guys lived in here,
Yeah.
right? And she later on moved to United States and left Ryan with me. Right. But you're looking to go to US, are you not?
Yeah, I'm looking to, but I'm still waiting for my mom.
right? For some papers, visa.
Yeah.
Did you have a green card at one point?
Yeah.
But you never had the citizenship, right?
Not yet.
Okay. So that's what you need to get done. AFC, Angeles Fried Chicken. And straight down is the opening to Diamond, right? So KTV bars. Do not enter. This is a one-way street, I guess. Ritz Hotel. Ritz Hotel. So let's go and look at Ritz. I bet you this thing could be. I was just gonna say, I bet you can be for rent. I didn't know that, but I see the sign right there at the bottom. Condotel for rent. Monthly, weekly, yearly leases. There you go. A nice little Rolls Royce. That's pretty cool. Hey. Huh? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Cool looking car. They look like, you know, almost like military tanks. They're big, solid. Food hub and grill. Padlocks. This was like a bar also. Velvet, I guess. Music and cocktail lounge. It looks like it's gone to me. And Crabaholic Resto. Yeah, they look like they're open. Yeah. They look like they're open though. They look like they're open. Boys were looking at you. Tavern. They look like they're open. All right. Tavern up here. Let's see. Can I get I always get this wrong, right?
Live band also.
Yeah, live band. Yeah, there is a few live band places here actually. So that's here's another bar grill in here. Looks like they're open. The doors are open at least. Morningstar Hotel. Looks like they could be open. And it is room rates $299. LED TV, air conditioned room, full spring mattress $299. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, some apartments here. There's a lady, she has some kind of dining in there too. And it looks like Wishing Well has their door open now. So we made a complete round and we are back here. at the bar. Right there. This thing is not wanting to work with me. Oh, come on. So, right, so what do we got down here? Have you ever been down this way? What's going on down here?
Bars, hotels.
Bars, hotels?
Yeah.
All right, so this is
Motels. Yeah.
this is down this street. This is where you lived, right?
It's
Look,
like the other entrance for
right,
Diamond.
right. But they never have it open.
Well, there's like a small gate right there. You can go in.
Oh, okay.
Here's the hotel, bar.
So the Bamboo Grill,
Yeah.
Bamboo Grill, Balibago Village Motel. So I've never been back down here. So apparently they have rooms here too, starting at $2.99. Double decker, good for 4 people. Aussie Shack, sports bar down here.
I wonder if you still have the Samji place
Huh?
right there.
What place?
Samji.
Samji?
Yeah, like a place. Drink food.
They had Samji down here too?
Yeah, that, I think that place, the blue
The blue building?
building. Like that.
Alright. Samgyeopsal?
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
it's still open.
yeah.
This one, yeah.
Marble Cafe, Residence, Cantina, Snooker. Okay, so they have pool tables in there. Deli and a restaurant. Yeah, cool. I've never been down here. Samji?
Oh, they're still open.
Huh?
Open.
Yeah, they are. That's cool. All right, unlimited Samji. Okay, the Aussie Shack is gone for rent. So this is it here, right?
There's still a few, but
Right.
that's it.
A few more down this way.
2 more buildings. See right there. One right there.
Let's continue.
I think it's
We might. Oh yeah. I mean, you know, if you have the places up there where all the traffic is are still empty and closed and shut down,
yeah, of course.
you know. Here's a sari store. She's open, or he, or whatever. I guess they rent rooms there too. I saw rooms with Wi-Fi and. Okay, so then you have hotel and apartments down this way. Right. It's not a whole lot, but
Basically,
this is inside Diamond on the other side here. So this is all Diamond back in there. All right. Swimming pool, bar, and restaurant. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think there's anything much more down here. But anyway, it was interesting. I've never been down this way. Okay. All right, guys, that's it for us. Patio Inn. So they looks like they have a little pool in there, and yeah, there it is. Patio Inn. So it looks like they have some guests. So we'll see. All right, guys, this was a little walk in Balibago, and I'm gonna go in and stop by and see if I can get Manny to play us a little song. But for now, I'm gonna insert that after this bye-bye, and it'll be a couple of minutes of music. God bless you, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.